How to wash your car or your dad's car for dummies. Okay, first step is to check the car how dirty it is, and then put water, soap, and fill a bucket, and then water the whole car using a garden hose. Make sure you cover the whole car, the whole entirety of it, front, back, rear, and the sides. And also don't forget to water the top part. This is a van, so for height wise you need to use a stool or a ladder to reach the top. Okay, make sure you wet all the parts, and then the next step is to put the soap solution into the car using a chamois. Chamois is best used for cars because of its absorption, and it's easier for you to dry the car using the chamois. You can buy the chamois at the leading car accessory stores nationwide. Yeah, you just have to wax in and wax out. Alright? And then this is it. That's how it looks after you soap the whole car. And then after that, next step is to water it using a garden hose. Better if you have a pressure washer to make it easier. Don't forget the rubber mats. Wet them first, lay them on the floor, put water on it, and then scrub using a brush. Just soak the brush in the soap solution and brush it accordingly, front and back of the mats. This has to be thoroughly clean because inside the car, this is where you will stop, and if it's dirty, it goes through your aircon vents and circulates around the car. So it's better to be clean always. These rubber mats are your guardians inside the car. Okay? Alright. Now thoroughly clean the rubber mats. You just scrub with the garden hose water, and boom, there you go. Your dad will be happy if he sees you clean his car. Alright, thanks guys. See you again. I hope you like it. Bye.